Benefits of QMS certification for your business. Businesses today are constantly striving to differentiate themselves to stay authentic and competitive. Customers are demanding.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Exceptional quality, consistent service, and a commitment to responsible practices for every business. Guaranteeing consistent quality is no longer a luxury, it's a mandate for every business. This is where QMS certification comes in. Key credentials like ISO quality standards serve as a key tool that helps businesses elevate their business performance and highlight a commitment to quality, offering greater success in return. Understanding the power of QMS certifications. A quality management system, QMS, certification is a formal form of acknowledgement depicting that a business follows international standards of quality like the ISO quality standards. These certifications signify that business operations are robust in managing quality with the latest implementations of the latest frameworks across all operations, with numerous benefits.
Key ISO QMS certifications, unlocking industry. The International Organization for Standardization, ISO, offers a wide collection of certifications, each tailored to a specific industry. Let us now discuss the most leading ISO certifications that power industrial quality management. ISO 9001. The ISO 9001 certification is one of the widely recognized standards that focuses on the core principles of quality management for continuous improvement and is applicable to businesses of all sizes and industries. The key principles of this certification include factors like customer focus and engagement, process approach, improvement in decision-making, relationship management, and more. Earning this certification offers a boost in efficiency and customer satisfaction. ISO 13485. The ISO 13485 certification is specifically designed to focus on the medical device industry to ensure a thorough medical devices quality and safety check. This certification highlights the production and maintenance requirements for a QMS that consistently meets customer and regulatory requirements for medical devices. This certification is earned to ensure the production of safe and effective medical products that align patients' safety with regulatory compliance. ISO 14001. For businesses committed to environmental responsibility, the ISO 14001 certification provides a framework for establishing an environmental management system. This helps businesses minimize their environmental impact and continually improve their environmental performance. The ISO 14001 certification benefits the environment widely and also aids in enhancing a company's market standing, reduces waste, and can lead to cost savings through frameworks that offer efficient resource use. As 9100. The aerospace industry demands the highest quality standards. The AS 9100 certification is the QMS standard for the aerospace industry that ensures that organizations in this sector meet these rigorous requirements. This certification helps aerospace companies in meeting regulatory safety requirements that improve product quality. IATF 16949. The IATF 16949 is the international quality standard developed focusing on the quality control in the automotive industry to guarantee quality management systems for automotive manufacturers and suppliers and the safety of vehicles. This certification helps meet customer and regulatory requirements and improve product quality and reliability. Benefits of QMS certification for businesses. As discussed in the previous sections, businesses earning QMS certifications earn multiple industry-changing advantages. Let us now deeply discuss how these certifications impact business quality and growth. Improved efficiency and productivity. ISO's QMS certifications are the key to any business's ability to streamline business processes and eliminate errors. This enhances overall staff productivity with the reduction of repeated fixes. With this, the organizations result in much more efficient resource management. Customer satisfaction. Maintaining quality standards increases customer satisfaction by ensuring high-quality goods and services are continuously provided. Guaranteeing customer satisfaction offers a great possibility of them sticking with the company and referring others to it. Market opportunities. Certifications create new market opportunities for organizations and businesses that demonstrate compliance with global quality standards. In addition to increasing a company's market reach, this improves its reputation and attracts more potential partners and clients. Risk management. QMS certifications aid in the identification and mitigation of risks through the implementation of systematic risk assessment and management processes. This proactive strategy shields the company from possible losses by lowering the possibility of errors and non-compliance.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.